In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add bevel weight. So let's jump right into this video. So I'm gonna press on the keyboard Control+4. Make sure you select the cube, Control+4, and now we go in edit mode. And here, if you want to add bevel weight, and I'm gonna add bevel weight to this face, you can also add bevel weight to this face. You have to press on your keyboard Shift+A, and now we have bevel weight here, as you can see. Now let's say now you can resize this, or you can extrude and then resize, or just resize. You can grab this and then resize, and you can add now this Control+A to add a bevel weight, and now you can also add bevel weight to only some vertices. Right, you can add a bevel weight to an edge. All right, and you can also use this shortcut, Control+A, Control+E, and now let's say so Control+E, and here we have a couple of options: extrude edges, bevel edges, bridge edges, loops, and we also have here inch crease. Click on that and you can do it from here as well, but usually I just use Shift+E. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Take care.